आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hi everyone, today we are just going to see the following process, describe the following process: dialysis, electrophoresis and tyndall effect. So let us discuss what are these three things. The first one is I can say the dialysis. Dialysis, it is a method used to separate colloidal particles from my electrode. So used to separate colloidal particles from my particular electrolyte. From electrolyte, the dialysis may be used, and I have taken the particular, it is done through the semi-permeable membrane. It is done by semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane, I can say, that is cellophane, parchment paper, or cellophane sheet, whatever it may be. So let me draw the diagram to illustrate this particular thing. So let us take a trough of water here, and it's going to take a trough of water. Here the trough of water is there, and it's going to insert a bag. So this bag contains my particular electrolyte along with my colloidal particles. So the blue lines are said to be my electrolyte, whereas this that particular circle is said to be colloidal particles. So I'm just going to dip the colloidal particles containing this particular electrolyte. So after some time, what I'll be observing is I'll be getting the electrolyte will be getting diffused, and this particular colloidal particles will be remaining as such. So I can get my particular colloidal particles, whereas my electrolyte will be in the trough of the water. It diffuses in the trough of water along with my water. So this is what the electrolysis is there, and the next one is my second is my electrophoresis. The electrophoresis is a method in which the migration of the salt particles will be taking place. So when electric potential is obtained, migration of salt particles is done when we apply my electric field. When electric potential is obtained, will be the migration of the salt particles will be getting migrated. So that is what electrophoresis. So let us illustrate this with help of the diagram. Here I have taken a U-shaped container, so in which I have dipped my two platinum electrodes. Let it be the two platinum electrodes, and I have taken the salt particles along with the water. So the bigger ones is said to be my salt particles, and it is distributed my inverted U tube, and I have also my electrolyte. I have also have my electrolyte, which is that. So after some time, what I'll be having is the particular U-shaped, the particular salt particle will be moving to either one of my electrodes. Say that this is my positive and this is my negative electrodes. Consider the salt particle will be moving towards my positive, whereas the water will be in the other thing. So I can say that the particular salt particles, by the direction of the salt particles, I can say the charge of my salt particles through the movement. So charge of the salt particles can be done by charge of salt particles can be determined using the direction of the particular salt particles. In this way, the salt particle will be getting separated from that of my dispersed medium. So that is called as my electrophoresis. And the last one is my tyndall effect. When I just pass the tyndall effect is when light is passed through my colloidal solution, the light path of the light will be getting clear. So when light is passed into my colloidal solution, I can say that the colloidal solution is somewhat bigger in size. The path of the light is clear. So this is what is the reason behind is that when we pass the light, the particular colloidal particles will absorb some light. So colloidal particles will be absorbing some light, whereas absorbs light, some light, and the remains gets scattered. So whatever it may be, the particular colloidal particle will be absorbing some light, and remaining gets scattered in all direction. So this will be responsible for my path of the light to get clear. So this is what the Tyndall effect says. So when light is passed through the colloidal solution, the path of light is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।